With AutoCAD LT in the Sheet Set Manager, you can create a new drawing and add it to a sheet set in one easy step, after a little bit of setup. You're probably already using a template file to create new drawings, whether you know it or not. When you launch the New Drawing dialog, you're given a list of DWT or template files to choose from. You can use one of the included templates, but I hope you've already made at least one DWT file that contains your standard layer list and annotation styles. If not, now would be a great time to start, since template files have a prominent role in the rest of the sheet set video series. To associate a template file with a sheet set, right-click on the sheet set name and choose Properties. This dialog has a lot of elements that will be covered in later videos, but for now we're interested in the Sheet Creation section. By default, the Sheet Creation Template field points to a generic template included with your AutoCAD LT installation. You'll want to change this so it points to your own file. In the Select Layout dialog, browse to your DWT file and choose Open. Next, you have to pick a layout to use as the standard when creating a new sheet. If you have more than one in your template, select the one you use most often. You may want to set Prompt for Template to Yes if you frequently use multiple template files within a project. If not, you can leave this set to No. Sheet storage location determines where new sheet files are created. Since I'm working with the entire sheet set here, I'll browse to the Main Drawings folder and choose that location. When I click OK, a dialog appears, asking me if I want to apply these changes to all subsets as well. If I do, then all subsets will use the same template and sheet location as the main sheet set. If I choose not to apply changes, then I would have to go back and set those properties for the subsets individually. For now, I'll choose to apply the changes to the subsets. If I wanted a particular subset to use a different template or sheet storage location, maybe you want to keep your architectural and structural sheets in different folders, I could right-click on a subset name, choose Properties, and set the values there. Now that we've got our template set up, we're ready to create a new sheet. I'll right-click on the sheet set title and choose New Sheet. Notice that the folder path and sheet template match the values I just set in the sheet set properties. As I enter in values for the sheet number and title, AutoCAD LT automatically fills in the file name. It doesn't have to stay that way though. You can name the file anything you like. When you're using the Sheet Set Manager to manage your drawing files, it's easier to track which drawing number is associated with which layout and file. If you'd like to start editing your new sheet right away, you can check the box to open it in the drawing editor. Notice that the new sheet appears in the sheet list immediately, with a padlock to indicate that the file is open for editing. And if I open the Project folder in Windows Explorer, the new drawing is there too.